there you go, guys. That was a little review on the KTM 2021 350 EXF. That thing's amazing, man. I don't really know too much about the bike, but we're gonna learn as we go. But make sure you guys turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on none of them cool adventures and stuff like that. We're actually gonna be building onto this bike, making it look a lot different than the factory settings and stuff like that. But make sure you guys stay tuned for all that goody stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But we are out of here. We're about to wrap this thing up. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace, and I'll see you guys in the next adventures. Bye bye.